What's up guys, I'm Tom. Today we're back and we're introducing the new Dome Gen 2. In 2021 we launched the first ever Dome and it sold out in hours. You guys made it a movement and now we're doing it again. We've redefined the Dome from the inside out. These are our most versatile ovens yet, bigger and more powerful than ever before. Now in 2 sizes, Dome and Dome XL. Available in 2 colorways, bone and off black. Dome unlocks a new world of live fire cooking. From high heat Neapolitan pizza to low and slow, the possibilities are endless. Fueling it your way, you can use gas for convenience, wood for flavor, or charcoal for depth, all with more control than ever before. And like our restaurant ovens, the Dome Gen 2 is designed to deliver serious performance, giving chef-like results in your own backyard. Dome Gen 2 gives you more space. Compared to our original design, the Dome is 40% larger and the XL is a massive 90% larger. With the Dome, you can cook 2 pizzas simultaneously, or in the XL, you can cook 3, or you can do a massive 18-inch beast. Both ovens are perfect to cook whole meals at once. From making incredible roasted proteins, delicately cooking fish, making roasted wood-charred vegetables, or making incredible desserts. I even use it for cooking family breakfasts in the morning. This is how the best chefs in the world do it, and now you can do it the same.
Okay, I think we're good. We're ready to come out.
Whatever you're cooking, Dome Gen 2 lets you choose the fuel for that moment. I love using the gas for convenience when I've got friends coming over for pizza. I generally use wood when I'm like cooking something and I want smoke and I want the sensory aspects of using a wood fire. Or if I want to slow roast a leg of lamb or something on a Sunday, I'll use the charcoal in the door. At the heart of Dome Gen 2, there are features that will completely change the way that you cook outdoors. The Dome Gen 2 has our new lateral flame technology. The burner has been put into the side wall of the oven, increasing the floor space. The flame arcs over the inside of the oven, creating really consistent results when you're cooking. Another incredible feature with the Dome Gen 2 is the integrated temperature controls. We have 2 thermocouple probes, one that sits in the air temp and one that goes on the underside of the stone. This is absolutely incredible for when you're making different types of pizza to give you perfect control over your bakes. The Dome Gen 2 is the highest performing oven on the market. Its heat retention capabilities are insane.
Flame on, baby.
The Dome Gen 2 has an incredible ecosystem of accessories, performance-led, purpose-built, all designed to elevate your cooking experience. The first accessory is a slow roasting door. This is twin-walled, so it keeps the heat in the oven. It has a wooden handle, so you can pick it up safely when it's in operation. I personally love using this when I'm roasting a bit of lamb. I'll take fresh sprigs of rosemary out the garden, chuck them on the embers, shut the door, and it creates the most amazing lamb that you'll ever eat. Next up is the accessory that I'm most excited about. This is the wood-fired control kit. It simply slots into the side of the dock on the oven, and then you have a dial here that forces air into the underside of the wood fire. It comes with a marine-grade stainless steel rack to put your wood on, and it gives you the convenience of gas with the flavor of wood. The wood-fired control module comes with 2 rechargeable USB-C batteries, the same ones that are in the display of the front of the oven. You can pair the wood-fired control module with a digital display, therefore it can give you a readout for the power and the battery life. It has 5 variable speeds at the turn of the dial, and also if you push it, it gives you a boost function to turbocharge the fire within the oven.
Hear that? That's our assist kicking in.
Bruschetta.
The next accessory is the Neapolitan arch. This is designed to turbocharge the heat in the oven. So you clip this into the mouth of the oven, it drops all the heat and gives you perfectly puffy crust for insane Neapolitan pizza. Next up are the meat probes. These are really, really handy when you're roasting bits of protein. So ideal for roasts, steaks, or anything like that. We have 2 of them, so you can track 2 temperatures at one time. You simply insert the probe into your protein, plug it into the front of the oven, and the readout will tell you exactly when it's perfectly cooked. The Dome Gen 2 stand. When we designed it, it had to be beautiful, but it also had to be really functional. We've designed it with 2 wings. One can be used for prepping and opening pizzas and things like that. The other can be used for condiments and plates and serving. There's 2 shelves. The top shelf can be used for accessories, wood, fuel, or anything you might need to hand. And the bottom shelf stores 2 gas canisters. We also designed it to be the perfect working height for when you're using the oven. Next up is the Dome cover. We have these in 2 sizes, one that covers just the body of the oven and then one that covers the body and the stand. Incredibly high quality and it will protect your oven all year round. Next up is the mantle. This is an amazing accessory that we have across all of our oven range. It slots into the front of the oven and immediately extends the cooking surface. This is perfect for turning pizzas, basting meat, or generally garnishing food. It's an accessory that I can't live without. The Dome Gen 2 is the highest performing oven on the market, but it isn't just about pizza. It's for people that want to discover a new world of culinary possibilities, that appreciate design, and that want to create unforgettable moments with their friends and family. These ovens set the bar for performance, possibility, and versatility for anybody that wants to cook without compromise. This is a new era of live fire cooking.